How to withdraw Hamster Kombat Coin to Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Basically, I'm inside the official article on the Binance website right here, which is the simplified guide on how to withdraw your Hamster tokens to your Binance account. Basically, you want to head over to the Hamster Kombat game or bot on Telegram. From there, you can go to the airdrop section. Find and click this section labeled as airdrop or similar. From there, you can reset withdrawal options. If you're having issues or if it's your first time, look for an reset button, your withdrawal setting. This might be necessary to proceed. From there, you can just go ahead and choose Binance as a withdrawal page. Basically, from there, all you have to do is to go ahead and enter your correct Binance account details. You'll need your Binance wallet address for the Hamster tokens. Basically, inside your Binance account, just go ahead and click on deposit crypto, and you will be taken to this page right here. Once inside, just go ahead and select Hamster token and an address will show up. From there, just go ahead and paste your address to the Hamster token game, and from there you can just go ahead and confirm your withdrawal, pay the transaction fee, wait for confirmation, and you should be good to go. You can just go ahead and double check your Binance once more to make sure that the transaction has been successful. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.